Pro Forum. So this is what I want to talk about now. Okay, believe it or not, I'm on vacation. Yes, I am on vacation with my family. This is my dad's camper behind me. So here's the deal. I'm out you know, doing the whole camper thing. And I decide, hey, this is a beautiful place. And I decide, what the heck? Take the drone up in the air, take a few snaps, not many, 10 pictures. While I'm up there, do a little video that goes this way, a little video that goes this way, a little video that goes this way. No big deal. Took me, what, 30 minutes, Tam? 30 minutes to put together. Add a little dingle, 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 dingle in the background. Go snag the customers, the campground's logo from their website. Snag that, put it in, it drops in, it has a little 1-800 number. Whoop-de-doo, right? I walk into the campground office and I say, hey, you've got to see this. This is the coolest thing. You're gonna love it. The lady gets excited. She says, how much? I said, $100. She goes, that's all? I said, well, for the still pictures, if you want the video, that's $100 too. See where we got to be thinking all the time? Always thinking. She goes, so what, for both? I said, yeah, $200 for both. She says, okay. Now, okay, is that really worth what we do? No, absolutely not. But here's the deal. This is $200 I would not have made in the first place. This is $200 that simply was just out there for the taking, okay? So I made it. The whole campground cost me, what, $150, $160 to stay there, and then I charged her $200. She literally wrote me a check for $200 and was happy to pay me the $200. So just think about that. We're always on point. Always look for opportunities. We have a very powerful thing that we do. It's very powerful. It gives you the opportunity to be always selling. That means I'm writing off this vacation. That's what that means. So think about that. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.